Father's Day, and it's a dollar store DIY challenge. I'm also gonna wrap the gift, and then I'm gonna, yeah, so this is how I'm gonna take my Sharpie. It's just one, so I got a pack of 9 at Walmart, but one is probably $1. So on this bag, I'm just gonna write Happy Father's Day. I'm just gonna write like Happy Father's Day. And bubble. I'm just gonna write happy like Father's Day and bubble letters in with Sharpie. I'm gonna take a glitter glue pen and I'm just gonna line each letter with the glue. So I'll be right back when that's done because I don't want it to like, I don't want like to mess up, and it takes concentration, so I'll be right back. What I did here is basically I outlined it with glitter after I colored in the letters, and I'll be back when this dries and I can put the presents in and show you how I do it. Bye guys. Okay, so this is like what the bag looks like when it's done, and I also have this that I'm gonna wrap with this tissue paper. So I'm gonna set you down on the desk. I'm gonna open this tissue paper. I'm gonna do this bag right there. And then I'm gonna take one piece of this tissue paper. One piece of this tissue paper. And then I'm putting this like on the tissue paper. I'm just gonna fold this. Keep on folding it until I get to the end, I guess. And like card for Father's Day, on the back I put a whole bunch of gold like rhinestones on it because I thought it looked really cute. And for the first card, I just put this little like star on the back of it to close it, and then the second bag looks like this, basically like the symbol at top and then all the way down there, and it's very shiny and glittery and it hasn't dried yet and I don't want to get anything on my camera. Basically that's it, and I'll show you it when I wrap the presents.